Writing computer desk, modern simple study desk, industrial style folding laptop table for home office, notebook desk, brown desktop, black frame. Best gift choice, no assembly computer desk, only one step. Just open the black frame and snap the desktop on it, then the installation is complete. Computer writing desk, folding and portable, when not in use, can be folded in the corner, saves space. Also convenient to carry when going out for a picnic. Computer writing desk, applicable room and function, suitable for study, bedroom, living room, kitchen, children's room, office.Can be a computer desk, learning tables, game tables, picnic tables, secretarial desk. Computer writing desk, material MDF waterproof and no deformation, durable and solid, brown texture, desktop design is simple yet stylish. Computer writing desk, size 150/72 cm, LWH 39.4 19.7 28.3 inches. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.